Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Salam Khan Kohawar and I am from Sindh University campus Larkana in my department BBA. This assignment given by Sir Gullam MurtAza Shaikh, and today I am going to tell you some basic topics of mathematics. The topic is what is a business math, interest and profit and loss. Let's start with the what is the business math. Business math is always deal with the profit or loss. The cost of a product is fixed by taking into consideration profit, marketing costs, discount, trade discount, etc. Business mathematics is used for commercial business use math in a department of workers. Commercial business use math in a department of accounting, in engineering, management, marketing, sale, for forecasting, and financially analysis. Here is the basic mathematics term. First one is selling price. The market price is a taken to see all product cost price. The original price of the product in the cost price profit. Profit, if the selling price is more than the cost price, the difference in the price is the profit. Loss, if the selling price is less than the cost price, the difference in the price is the loss. Discount, the reduced account in the selling price of a product. Simple interest, simple interest in that interest which is counted against the capital amount or the portion of the main amount that remains unpaid. Compound interest, compound interest is the investment rate that increase exponentially. Let's move another topic. My another topic is profit and as loss percentage. Profit and the loss percentage are used to refer to the amount of the profit or loss that has been increased in the terms of a percentage. It should be noted that the percentage is one of the method for comparing two quantities. Daily we come across a verify of the situations where we calculate or compare things in percentage. Most common one are the situation related to buying and selling of items. While the sale of the goods, one can either gain a profit or either a loss, which is generally circulated in terms of percentage. Profit and loss percentage formula. Before we go through profit and loss and percentage, we need to make ourselves familiar with few terminologies that are generally used in sales purchasing of goods. Formulas: profit equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to SP. SP means a selling price minus CP means a purchasing price, and SP greater than CP. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price and is equal to CP minus SP dot CP and S dot P. Dot means a multiplication. Profit percentage. Uh, First one is great big bracket and small bracket S dot P dot minus dot C dot P. C dot P multiplied by 100 and is equal to profit and divided by CP multiplied by 100. Loss percentage is CP minus SP and CP multiplied by 100 and loss CP divided by 100. These are the formulas of percentage. First one, cost price is a CP. A cost price is a price at which we have a purchase at items. This is a depreciated CP. Number two, selling price SP. Selling price is the price at which we sell an items. In short, it written as SP. During the purchase and sale of items, depending upon the CP and or SP, it comes be either profit or loss for the seller. Profit. When the selling price of an atom is more than the cost price of the some atoms, that this is the condition of profit for the seller loss. When the price of an atom is more than the selling price of the atoms, when then this is the condition of loss or the seller. Now we can easily calculate whether a sale was profitable or ended in the loss. Also, we know how to evaluate the profit or loss amount. Let's learn how to express the amount in percentage. Using the above formulas, we can always estimate what is the profit or loss amount. They can be converted into term of the percentage as well as profit percentage or loss percentage. The formula for estimated profit percentage or loss is given as follows. Profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to S dot P, means selling price minus CP cost price. CP again multiplied with CP multiplied by 100 is equal to net profit CP multiplied by 100. Loss percentage. Loss CP minus SP multiplied by P multiplied by 100 equal to net loss CP multiplied by 100. Note, it is to be strictly noted that the profit or loss percentage is always calculated on the cost price of an atom until and unless it is mentioned to calculate the percentage on selling price. For example, Raja purchased a bike for 75,000 rupees and he sold it for 55,000. It is the conditionally of the profit loss. Also find the profit or loss percentage included by him. Solution. Given cost price, CP is the bike, means what is the actual price of bike. 75,000 rupees. A selling price, SP means a selling price of the bike 55,000 rupees. Here SP greater than CP, it is a loss. Net loss. CP means cost price minus by SP means selling price. Now when we our CP is 75,000 rupees minus SP per SP means selling price is 55,000 rupees. When we solve them, the answer will be 20,000 rupees. Now Raja's loss will be 20,000 rupees multiplied by 75 multiplied by 100 is equal to 803. The 26.667 percentage loss percentage of Raja is 26.667. Question 1. A music system was a budget for a 10,500 and sold at the Rs 905,000. Find the amount or profit or loss. Means here we can't we haven't collect the percentage. Here a problem said that we have to collect the loss or profit. So solution is the cost price of the music system is 10,500 rupees. Selling price of the music system is 9,500 rupees. We can see here a CP is a greater than a SP. Therefore, there is a loss in the business. Hence, we need to calculate the amount. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP means cost price. Our cost price is 10,500 rupees and minus SP. SP means a selling price 9,500 rupees. When we calculate them, the answer will be 1,000 rupees. Here's end my this topic, and let's do another topic. And here's my another topic is interest. There's two type of interest. The first one is simple and second one is compound interest. Let's move. First, we know what is interest. A simple interest is the method of calculating the interest amount for some principal amount of money. Have you ever borrowed money from your siblings when your pocket money is excused, or tend him maybe? What happened when you borrow a money? You use that money for the purpose you had borrowed it in the first place. After that, you return the money whenever you get the next month's pocket money from your parents. This is how a borrowing and a lending work at home. But in the world, real money is not free to borrow. You often have to borrow money from banks in the form of a loan. During paybook apart from the loans amounts, you pay some more money that depends on the loans amount as well as the time of which you borrow. This is called a simple interest. This term finds executive usage in banking. The difference between simple and a compound interest. There is another type of interest called a compound interest. The major difference between simple and compound interest is that a simple interest is based on the principal amount of the deposit or a loan, where the compound interest is based on the principal amount and the interest that accumulated in every period of time. Let's see one simple example to understand the concept of simple interest. Simple interest formula. The formula for a simple interest helps you find the interest amount in the principal amount. Rate and interest in time periods are given. Simple interest formula is given as FL is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T multiplied by 100. When SI is a simple interest, P means principal, R means interest rate, means in percentage, T means time duration in year. In order to calculate that the total amount, the following formula is used. Amount A principal P plus interest. When amount A is the total money paid bank at the end of the time period for which it was borrowed. For example, the Rishwa takes a loan of Rs 1000 rupees from the bank or 10,000 rupees from a bank for a period of 1 year. The rate interest is 10% per annum. Find the interest and the amount that he has to pay at the end of year. Solution. Here the loan sum loan sum loan sum is equal to P is equal to Rs 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest per year is a 10%. Time for which is borrowed at 1 year. The simple interest for the year is SL is equal to P multiply R multiply T divided by 100. Means 10,000 multiplied 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 100 is equal to 1000. Amount that a Rishwa has to pay the bank after the end the year is principal plus interest is equal to principal amount is 10,000 rupees and the interest is 1000 is equal to 11,000 he has to give back after the 1 year. Example number 2. Namita borrowed Rs 5,000 rupees for 3 years at the rate of 3.5 per month. Find the initial interest accumulate at the end of the 3 years. Solution. P is equal to 5,000 rupees and percentage rate is a 3.5% and the time is 3 years. Then SL is equal to P multiply R multiply T divided by 100. It means the 50,000 rupees multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 100 is equal to 5,250 rupees. So let's see another topic. Now is what is a compound interest? Compound interest definition. Compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. It is a different from the simple interest where interest is not added to the principal while accumulating the interest during the next period. Compound interest finds its usage is most of the transaction in the banking and the finance sector and also in other areas as well as some of its application are increase or decrease in a population, the growth of a bacteria, rise or depression in the value of and atoms. Compound interest formula. Compound interest formula is A means amount is equal to P means a principal multiplied by 1 and R means interest rate in decimal and N means a number of time interest is compounded per year and NT means time year. Where A is amount, P means principal, R means rate of interest and N means a number of time interest in the compound per year. It is to be noted that the above formula is the general formula for the number of the times that principal is computed in a year. If the amount is compounded annually, the amount is given as A is equal to P1 plus R multiplied by 100 multiplied by T. Let's see the value of amount interest in the compound. Formulas. Let's let principal amount is P means time, A is equal to N means year, rate means R. Simple interest SI for the per year SI 1 is equal to P multiplied I multiplied by T multiplied by 100. Amount after first year is equal to P plus SI 1 is equal to P plus P multiplied by R multiplied by T, and 100 is equal to P1 plus R 100 is equal to P2. Simple interest SI for second year. SI2 is equal to P2 multiplied by R multiplied by T 100. Amount after second year P2 plus S12 is equal to P2 plus P2 multiplied by R multiplied by T 100 is equal to P2 1 plus R 100 plus P1 plus R 100 plus R 100 and plus P1 plus R 100 2. Similarly, if we proceed further to a new year, we can deduce I is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R 100 N and CL. A minus P is equal to P and in bracket 1 plus R 100 N minus 1. Compound interest examples. A town has a 100 into 10,000 residences in a 200. Its a population decline at a rate of a 10%. What will be its total population in 205? Solution. The population of the town decreased by 10% every year, thus it has a new population every year. So the population for the next year is calculated on the current year population. For the decrease, we have the formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 minus R divided by 100 power by N. Therefore, the population at the end of 5 years is equal to 10,000 minus 10,000 in bracket 1 minus 10 divided by 100 power by 5 is equal to 10,000. 1 in bracket 1 minus 0.1 powered by 5 is equal to 10,000 multiplied by 0.9 power 5 is equal 5,904 approx. The growth of the bacteria. Example number 2. The count of a certain period of a bacteria was found in the increase at the rate of 2% hours. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was entirely 6,000 rupees. Solution. Since the population of the bacteria increase at the rate of 2% in an hour, we use the formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 powered by N. Thus the population at the end of the 2 hours is equal to 60,000 and bracket 1 plus 2 divided by 100 powered by 2. The 60,000 in bracket 1 plus 2 1 plus 0.02 powered by 2 is equal to 60,000 in bracket 1.02 powered by 2 is equal to 60,000 2440. Rise or depreciations in the value of atoms. And example number 3 is the price of a radio is Rs 140 and it's depreciated by 8% per month. Find the value after 3 months. Solution for the descriptions, we have to formula A is equal to P in bracket 1 minus R is divided by 100 powered by N. Thus the price of the radio after 3 months is 400 in bracket 1 minus 8 divided by 100 powered by 3 that is equal to 400 minus 400 in bracket 1 minus 0.08 powered by 3 is equal to 400 in bracket 0.29 powered by 3 is equal to 190 rupees exprox. Thank you guys for watching my video, and now hope you will be understand what is the business math, what is the formula of interest and what is interest. Now you are able to explain it. And thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.